Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zinger burger at home. First, ensure you have boneless chicken breasts, about 150 grams each, and all your spices ready. Next, we'll dive into marinating the chicken to infuse it with incredible flavor. Then, we'll prepare the perfect crispy coating. Finally, I'll guide you through frying the chicken and assembling your delicious burger. To start, slice your chicken breasts horizontally to about 1.5 centimeters thick for even cooking. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and your chosen spices like paprika, garlic powder, and salt. Submerge the chicken completely in this marinade. Let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or for a more intense flavor, up to 4 hours. For the crispy coating, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a generous amount of salt, pepper, and chili powder. Dip each marinated chicken piece into the flour mix, then back into the marinade, and again into the flour, ensuring a thick coating. Fry the chicken in oil preheated to 175 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes, until it's golden and cooked through. Now for the best part, assembly. Lightly toast your burger buns. Spread a generous amount of mayonnaise or your preferred Zinger sauce on both halves. Place a crisp lettuce leaf on the bottom bun, followed by your perfectly fried chicken fillet. Add a slice of cheese if you like, then top with the other bun half. Serve your homemade Zinger burger hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.